Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now just about phone section. Then you need to choose device name and simply type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. After that, you need to choose OK and then click on OK in this pop-up as well. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!